Okay, I've got my brown rice on cooking. I've got 1 3/4 cup of enriched long grain. So it's going to take probably about 40 minutes to get this fixed to make this Mexican rice dish. So I've got that all done. I've got my onions and peppers all chopped up. It was 2 large onions, 2 medium peppers, and we'll be back in a minute. Okay, my brown rice is coming to a boil, so I'm going to reduce the heat, cover it, let it cook for about 45 minutes, and I did wash the rice before I put it in the pan. I chopped up 2 large onions and 2 medium green peppers that I'm going to add to the hamburger meat and cook all that together. While my rice is cooking, I've got 2 pounds of hamburger meat cooking and my 2 medium green peppers and 2 large onions. Now I'm going to cook this all till the meat gets good and done, and then I'll be adding the rest of the ingredients. I've got the ground beef, peppers, and onions all cooked. My rice just got done, so now I'm going to start adding other ingredients. I've got 2 15-ounce cans of tomato sauce. Because, as I said, I'm doubling the recipe for my family. Make sure I get all of that out of there. Don't want to waste any. Okay. I've got 2 cans of no salt added petite diced tomatoes. Now this is 14.5 ounces and they're drained. Do make sure that you drain them. Go mix all that together.
It's so pretty.
It is pretty. The colors in it, the green peppers, the red tomatoes. And yeah, we're going to start adding our seasonings and bring this to a boil. I'm going to put 2 teaspoons of ground cumin. 1, 2. 2 teaspoons of chili powder. Okay, and a teaspoon of garlic powder. Now we're going to mix this all together. Make sure we get our seasonings mixed through there good. Trying to hurry up and get this fixed before my sweet Eric goes to work.
Oh, we got time.
Because I want him to have time to eat. Now, a lot of people use white rice, and there's nothing wrong with that. I'm using brown rice. That's just a personal preference.
Yeah.
So I'm going to let this come to a boil. The rice is still really hot. So, that smells so good.
Yep.
Like I said, we just got to get this to a boil. I'm going to put a little bit of salt in, not a lot. And that's more or less for you to season to taste. Doesn't take a lot of spices for this. It's something just quick, easy. I think the longest part for me was cooking the rice. But yeah. other than the time it took to cook the rice, it was really easy to put this together. And once that comes to a boil, I'm going to start adding this rice. I thought, well, to make 5.5 cups, it's going to be humongous, but it's not that much. It's, I'm going to turn this up a little to get it to boil. It's rainy here today. Put up a video with the little baby birds that's hatched out.
Yeah.
Little baby robins. They're so cute.
And I did not get pecked.
No,
That was a good thing.
you didn't. That's a wonderful thing.
I wasn't sure because, you know, I didn't know if Mom would come
Whoa.
over and attack.
Look at it. It's like it's taking big, deep breaths.
It smells so good it wants to smell itself.
I'm going to start putting this rice in. I'm dropping rice every which way, folks. But you know what? That's okay. It'll clean up.
Yeah.
It's no big deal. Last put in there, and then I'll get to stirring all that up. Okay. Now, and I know y'all are saying, man, how much of that stuff did she fix? A bunch. Anytime I cook stuff, I have to make it in large quantities for our family. Just want to make sure you get your rice all in there. Boy, that smells amazing.
Yeah, it looks good too.
Oh, it does. Now, if you wanted to serve tortilla shells with this, you could. Fix you some fried corn to go with it. That would be good. Just whatever you want to have with it. This makes a meal in itself, though. I'll tell you. Or just the rice was still hot, so I'm just trying to get it all mixed in here. I'm not gonna like stand here and let it boil and cook and stuff. Just want to get that all mixed in there. I think that looks pretty good.
That looks good.
There it is. Okay, I've plated up my sweet Eric a dish of the Mexican rice, and he's my taste tester. So go ahead, hon.
All right, here we go. That's good.
Yeah, he likes it.
Yep, that's good.
He's giving his eyebrow approval. So, thank you for joining us. We're so glad you could. Please like, share, and subscribe. Leave a comment. Hope y'all have a blessed day, and we love y'all.